Today we're going to be taking down a Glock Gen 5. What you're going to need is your Glock Disassembly tool. You're going to first check to make sure that your gun is safe. No magazine in the gun. Point your gun in a safe direction. Pull the trigger. To disassemble your firearm, you're going to position your hands like so. Pull back until you hear a click. And on the takedown tabs, you're going to pull down and push your slide off of the rails. We're going to start with the lower receiver of the firearm. You're going to push out this pin from left to right. You're going to push out your locking block pin from left to right. If it does give you a hassle, it's because this is putting too much pressure on it, and you just need to wiggle it a little bit. Take out your locking block. And you can now take out your entire assembly, trigger assembly. Put that one side. We're now going to start with your upper assembly. Take out your spring. Take out your barrel. Just push this up until you hear a click. Then you see that little plastic bit. You're going to just position this on top of it like so, and you're going to push down. Simultaneously, when you push down, you're going to position your thumb on top here, and you're going to push downward pressure to push it off. Keep your thumb up here and just pull this out, because this is spring loaded and this is going to want to shoot out. You're now going to take out your firing pin assembly, which I need. I'm going to put it one side. You're then going to take out your safety plunger. So the best way to do it is to depress it. Just give it a bit of a wiggle. So you heard something fall out, and that is this, your extractor. Put that one side. Then you've got your safety plunger. So we now have our trigger assembly, safety plunger, and firing pin assembly. Those are the three components that we need.